My name is Erika. I am a library student at Langara College, and this is my first year practicum that I'm doing at the Vancouver Maritime Museum. I've always been really obsessed with the ocean, and I love a hyper-specific library, and both of my grandfathers were sailors. One of my grandfathers actually was a cook on the ship that delivered the submarine that sits outside. So it just felt like the perfect place for me. Being able to do my own research, be in a place that's archives and library all in one is amazing, really. I've mostly been working on the ship files. Right now they're all physical, so there's nothing searchable online. So I've been working on getting all the keywords from all the ship files and putting them in a database so that we can kind of cross-reference and be able to search terms. I've also been cataloging books, reshelving, doing some inventory on the St. Rock, which was pretty cool. So when a library receives a book, it has to be cataloged. So we need to take down all the information about it. So the title, the author, the identification number that's inside, all of the publication information. I've learned a lot from Ashley, the curator of collection. I've learned artifact handling, which was very specific, exhibit setup and takedown. All of it is so intertwined. Everyone who works downstairs in the library and the archives works hand in hand with everyone upstairs as well. It's such a team effort and everything's so collaborative, and it's fantastic. Guaranteed at any library, there's going to be so much work that has to be done, and there's just so little time in the day to do it. It makes me appreciate them a lot more. I already had a lot of appreciation for them, but there's so much work and love that goes into them, and I think a lot of people forget that libraries are here as a place of sharing knowledge for everyone. Access to knowledge is super important. It's been just so insightful for my career going forward in library and archives. Getting that hands-on experience with the cataloging and the archival is just very, very helpful. Everyone's just been very welcoming and very kind here, so I've really enjoyed my time.